So after we power on the machine and before we print, we need to power on the UV control box. We power on it and be sure the water circulation is working. Water can be circulation back. And then we adjust the knob of the UV lamp to 35 degree for the big UV lamp, UV1. And UV2 is for varnish. We adjust to 10 degree. So 10 for varnish and 35 for white and color. Not too strong like this. So after we did all the calibration, where we can start to do the print. We find picture, we can do the find file that after we rip from the USB flash. For example, we want to print this picture and we put on the wet color varnish by one pass print. We go to setting, we choose normal. Normal means wet color varnish one pass print. We choose middle speed and bed rate and keep as default. And the model is flatbed model. Everything setting like this after calibration. And then we go to double check and we check the gap. The gap is X255. We try to print. Then the print will start to print. The picture coming out with color wet varnish one pass print. First print the white layer. The white layer with embossed results. See the white layer is print out. Then the color layer print out on the top of the white layer. We can open the vacuum to get the absorption without scratch the print head. The vacuum option here. You can see the printer with good color. Wet, color, and varnish. Wet first, then color, then varnish. Focus incorporation. Upper max. We can see also the varnish printout with crystal result. The front is the varnish. The Epson 3200 print with faster speed, really quick. Now we just print under one direction, not the bad direction. If we print by bad direction, the speed will be twice. It's quick. But it depends on the setting and the calibration you did. With white color varnish, one pass print, impress results. And we can see the details, the color, shadow, grayscale, resolution. It's printed by middle speed and bad direction. Varnish result. Good quality, good resolution, high speed, that print by Focus FMX C250.